Hey guys, what's up? It's Ian with updated bike check. Got a couple of new parts here and there. Alright, so starting from the top, I got Colt Legion 1. I got Odyssey Aaron Ross grips with Odyssey power ends, stock black, black eye stem, and then we got Colt D-Heart tire in front with mechanic forks. I don't remember what they are, but they're mechanic forks. I'm pretty sure they're bent because they suck. $60 forks, it's whatever. Colt D-Heart tire, like I said, 15mm axle with a mechanic front whole wheel in blue. Into the frame is a black eye Killroy 2012 bike frame. Then going to the cranks, I have, I don't know if you can see that, but going to the cranks, I have 3-piece tube mechanic cranks, and the mechanic sprocket, and then a mechanic K710 chain, SL chain. I think SL stands for super light chain. And then from the back, I have a Colt D-Heart tire laced to a mechanic whole back wheel. Shoes that I ride for the riding bikes. Let me go them real quick. Shoes that I ride, they are Etnies Jameson 2 Slim, like the lows. I want to get the Jameson mids soon. Those ones. Since I'm left foot forward, my right shoe is really chewed up. You can see that it's really chewed up. I need to wash them. They're all dirty.